Okay, so I got this old copy press that I'm going to use improperly, but it needed some love. It was pretty rusty, though most of the paint's in good shape, except for this handle has cracks on the yokes. 1, 2. However, that's not that big of a deal because I theoretically should never be putting enough torque on it to worry about that. But I want these to be pretty flat and relatively clean. And I did an okay job with the wheel on the grinder, but I need them to be a little bit nicer. Typically, what we would do is we would lap a small part, but this is not a small part. This is big. This is 12 by 15, or 11 by 15. So what do? Well, happily, the folks what do floors and shit have answered that question for us. Use the sandpaper for an orbital floor sander. And what I'll do is I will basically use one part to lap the other. That won't result in the flattest possible surface, but they will be pretty damn flat in relation to each other. They'll be covered with a bit of leather later on, so it's not a huge deal, but the closer I can get, the better. And this is how I'll accomplish that.